Hey machinists! Quoting just got a whole lot easier. Many CNC manufacturing companies struggle with calculating prices in line with the market and sending quotes to customers on time. The calculation for complex turning and milling parts is a tedious process and requires in-depth technical expertise. With the shortage of skilled workers and rising costs, digitalization has become essential to stay competitive. So we asked ourselves, how can we create a digital tool that makes quoting easy and precise while increasing efficiency? Welcome to Spanflug MAKE. Spanflug MAKE automates the calculation and turns quoting for custom machined parts into a fast and easy process. This saves your machine shop valuable time and reduces the costs for quoting drastically. Spanflug also relieves your technical staff from administrative tasks and enables you to respond faster to customers. It's easy, and the automated pricing really works. Spanflug MAKE calculates based on CAD models and 2D drawings. Get a detailed calculation proposal within seconds, including times and costs for material, setup, programming, and manufacturing. Just export the data to your ERP system or generate a ready-to-send PDF document. With Spanflug MAKE, you can start for free without effort and benefit from day one. Try it out and see how fast it is. Benefit from the automated quoting in Spanflug MAKE, the digital tool that makes quoting easy.